Good morning, everyone. This is Rich again from My Carpet Cleaning Service. I'm out here today in lovely Columbia, Maryland on such a wonderful day. Snow's melting, rain is falling. We're set up to do a serious project today. Everything is set up inside. Everything is set up outside. Ready to rock and roll in just a few minutes and get my client's home taken care of the way we'd want it done at home, if it was our house. As you can see, we've got friends today. Look out, sweetie. The lads are secure. The whole house has been vacuumed, the upstairs pre-sprayed. And now, the magic begins.